Did you know that hypothyroidism increases your chances of developing insulin resistance, thus leading to chronic health conditions such as type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, fatty liver, and obesity? Hi guys, I'm Raju Gadvi. I'm a pharmacist that helps people reverse some of these health conditions that I just mentioned. So, the thyroid interacts with insulin. The thyroid hormone T3 impacts how sensitive your cells are towards the insulin. The lower your T3, the more likely you'll develop insulin resistance. On the flip side, the higher your T3, you can also develop insulin resistance. So hypo and hyperthyroidism can both lead to insulin resistance. So you can see that it's very, very important to address the thyroid. If you want to reverse insulin resistance, you must first improve your thyroid function. So what can one do? I'll focus on hypothyroidism here. Number one, fix up your diet. You want to avoid refined sugars. You want to remove gluten from your diet. You want to stop dairy. You want to stop alcohol. You want to remove trans fat. You want to completely stop highly processed food. And finally, stop coffee. Number two, increase vitamins and supplements, such as the B vitamins, iron, zinc, selenium, and there's a few more, so do your research and find a product that has all of them in it. Number three, meditation. Yes, studies have shown that meditation impacts TSH, and this is a thing that produces thyroid hormones. Number four, yoga. Yoga improves circulation and the blood flow around the thyroid gland. So yoga, after recent studies have shown it can help. Number five, essential oils. I've done no research around this personally, but research shows that some essential oils can also help increase these hormones. Number six, sleep. You need to sleep a minimum of 8 hours a day. When you sleep, your body heals. So guys, prioritize sleeping. Number seven, sunlight. Sunlight gives you the vitamin D, and vitamin D impacts your thyroid glands. So there's a connection there. So get good sunlight. Finally, number seven, exercise. When you exercise, it increases your free thyroid hormone. So start exercising a few days a week and start increasing from there. It's a great thing to do. So as you can see, guys, thyroid and insulin resistance are connected. Now, if you're looking to reduce or remove or reverse insulin resistance, fix your thyroid, click on the link above where you can find out more on some of the products I endorse personally that I use my patients and my clients that have helped them in some of these conditions. Alright guys, hope you enjoy the video. I'll talk to you later.